Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing fantastic. And today we got us another TacPack on deck. That's right, TacPack, whack, crack, sack, patty whack. Hopefully this isn't a whack pack, but we're going to get into it because you know I love TacPack, and my channel members just pointed out to me that the only reason why I like it is because of the cool stickers that I get. Absolutely true. I like it just for the stickers. Maybe we get some cool stuff. That's just a bonus. Are you guys ready to see what's in this TacPack? I know I am. Let's do it. All right, so we are back with TacPack. And as per usual, if you want to check them out, you can go to TacPack on the Google. It'll take you right to the TacPack website. And let's see, they have only got like 2 levels for you to choose from, but this is where I do receive all of the cool stickers in my background, which, shockingly enough, I actually had somebody tell me that, that I guess I was immature because I like some people got a stick up their rear end. That's all I'm going to say. All right, here is your top-down view. Please don't let the sticker be in frame. I don't think it is. All right, cool. Cool. Sticker is not... All right, now the fun part is I got to dig in here and see if I can... All right, here's the book. This is June. Okay, this is June TacPack. It says upgrade 2 of 4. What is that? I don't know what that means. Okay, I'm going to see if I can get the sticker. What is this? Okay, that's definitely not the sticker. Where's the sticker? Where's the sticker? Oh, there's the sticker. I got it. Please let it be... Okay, there's the sticker. Whoa, I have no idea. I have no idea what that could be. I have no idea what that could be. So there's the sticker. And like, as per usual, we're going to leave that to the end. All right, let's see what we got here. We got, okay, so we got some Trimax, some gun wipes, CLP. Cleans, lubricates, and protects. Giggity, giggity. That's what you need. This is 60 of these wipes, and I'm assuming these things are good for, just cleaning up after you go to the range or something. And is it coated? Does it have crap that it leaves behind? Advanced anti-friction additives bond to metal surfaces for longer lasting lubrication on moving gun parts. Also creates a protective barrier. There we go. So it does give you a protective barrier. Okay, this isn't not the worst thing to get. There's 60 wipes in here. This is from real Avid. So, not the worst thing to get. Stuff that, I will definitely use because those are awesome to do a... What I do with stuff like that, I throw it in my range bag, and especially my handguns, I will just, kind of field strip them. Not full tear down, just, take the slide off, and I will just wipe the slide rails down, maybe pop the barrel out, wipe the barrel off, and do that, put it all back together, and just give it a quick once over, the top of the slide and everything, the ejection port, and there you go. It just makes it easier when you get home. All right, so the next thing we got is from Phase 5 Weapon Systems. This is an oversized mag release kit. Okay. It is a drop-in 2-piece assembly that replaces the mil-spec magazine release button. Installation is easy and requires no gunsmithing. All you gotta do is just take some screws out. So there you go. 6061 T6 billet aluminum for lightweight, strong design. Okay, there we go. Okay, all right. So this is from Phase 5 Weapon System. Okay, so what you do is you take this. Let's see. Okay, so we got the button, the paddle, the screws, and the hex key. All right. So yeah, if you want to do a little bit of upgradage there on your system, they give you a oversized mag release. Ooh, uh-oh, I see something in here that I like. Look at that. We got a CMC single stage drop-in 3.5 pound pull trigger. Woo, woo. This is the original drop-in trigger. All right, so 100% self-contained one-piece assembly, positive trigger reset, ultra crisp, glass smooth break, minimal lock time, easy to install, match grade, made in the US of A with a Psalms Bible verse on there. Nice. That's awesome. All right, so yeah, this is a single stage drop-in trigger, and this is going to be for your AR-15, AR-10, which is awesome because I do need a new trigger for my AR-10. So this comes right in the best time because I do need a trigger for my AR-10. So I will definitely try that trigger in that platform. All right, one thing I can tell you 100% that I do not need, because I have literally 10, 15 pairs of passive ear protection. This is another set of walkers. This is just, let's see, extra protection. These are just 30 dB noise reduction. Yeah, I've got a lot of these. So what I may do, because I do have a lot of those, I may end up throwing them into the next giveaway, which I was going to start here very soon. I am pushing it off just a little bit longer, but that giveaway is pretty much ready to go. So we will be starting that here in the next couple days, because I'm recording this video on Father's Day, on Sunday. So happy, late Father's Day, So there you go. All right, the last thing in this here box is a real Avid Born Ready Rave 1 or RAV1, however you want to say that. Okay, this is a nylon handle, 3.5-inch blade, modified clip point. Ooh, oh my God, very, very pointy on that blade. This is a 4CR14 black oxide liner lock. Okay, you know what? This is a perfect knife for a giveaway. Oh, check it out. It's got, I know there's a lot of glare, but right here there's black around here, and then it has this inset scale that's like an OD green. It actually looks really, really pretty. And the texturing on it looks really neat. And I know there's going to be tons and tons and tons of glare on that because I've harnessed the power of the sun above me, in front of me, so I got these lights blinding me in my face. So yeah, but I would open this. But on things that I, kind of hold to possibly do a giveaway on, I don't open them. I like to give them away just like this. New in pack, mint in box. Mint in package, whatever. All right, now the favorite part. Let's go to the sticker. Are you guys ready for the sticker reveal? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on, man. Be something cool. Please be something cool. Don't be whack. I mean, it's okay. I mean, brass pro shops, look, it's not the worst sticker. This is probably my least excited sticker. Like, I'm gonna tell you right now, Mr. Potato Head would whoop up on the brass pro shop. Just saying. Or the AR man. I mean, dude, we went from a sticker like AR man and the Blasters of the Universe. I mean, dude, we went from a sticker like that. I mean, it's a little curled up, but yeah, we went from that to that. Okay. All right, y'all can say that I'm just being grumpy. That's fine. I'm not as excited about the brass pro shop. Sorry. All right, so let's look at the June TacPack, not Whack Pack. I'm not going to doo-doo on the whole box because of the sticker. I should, but I'm not. Because we did get a trigger. We got the cleaning wipes and we got a knife. I got hearing protection that I don't really need. But at the end of the day, this was not a bad box, okay? All right, so Walker ear protection. We got the Avid wipes. We got the Phase 5 Oversized magazine release. We have the sticker that kicks brass. Okay, we got the real Avid knife. And we got the CMC single stage trigger that is a $190 value. And the trigger is the plus item for this particular box. So there you go. Not bad, not bad. I am not disappointed, you know. I think it's okay. I think we did okay. It's a crap box. Uh-oh. Apparently we're going to war in my members chat over here. Okay, let's see. Needs to be an FRT. Shh. Looks like a good knife. Okay. Okay. Yeah, the knife looks solid. You know, and to be honest, I've never received a knife from Real Avid. You know, usually Real Avid, I get, you know, a lot of range tools from Real Avid. So this is the first knife that I've ever seen from Real Avid. And I'm kind of tempted to open it up and just kind of, you know, handle it a little bit and see what I think about it. And I may do that. I may go against what I said. I may open that up just to check it out, just because this is the first knife that I've received from Real Avid. As per usual, if you made this far in the video, hey man, really greatly appreciate you. Thank you. You know, give me a thumbs up on the video. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. If you made it this far, I'd really greatly appreciate you on that. And as per usual, if you are struggling in your life, if you're struggling with being indecisive, being depressed, having anxiety, having negative self-talk, all that kind of stuff, you feel lost, you feel like you don't know what you're doing. You know who knows? You know who knows what you should be doing? The man up there, the good Lord. And if you calm yourself and you let him into your life and you be thankful and humble every single day, because a lot of times, you know, your life, your ambitions, your needs, your wants, your desires, it clouds you. It gets in the way. It puts a barrier between you and God. Strip that away. Be humble. Be thankful. Be thankful even if you are not where you want to be in life. Be thankful for where you are and let the Lord guide you to where you need to be. I am very thankful for everything I have. I'm very thankful for my home, my family, for all of this stuff you see around me. I am very thankful for all of it. I'm very thankful for you being here with me. I'm also very thankful for all of them that are watching me live. And with that, God bless all of you. I'm out of here. I'll see you guys in the next one. Y'all be cool. I love all y'all. Take it easy. See you in the next one, guys. Peace.